Welcome back. We are covering tip number 4 of 25 tips to become a better driver. And again, this one, as we're coming up in the summer holiday season and people are going to be out more, we're getting over our current worldwide health situation that is bringing a lot of people out. And so this is an important one. Tip number 4 of 25 tips to become a better driver: don't drive intoxicated. So before we get going, I want to encourage you to hit the thumbs up, click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and click the alert button to be notified of future content. It lets YouTube know, or whatever platform that you're watching this or listening to this on, click whatever positive feedback item there is on that platform. It lets YouTube and that platform know that you appreciate the content, and will help them distribute this to the future audiences as well. So, but we're going to go jump right into this one. And this one is don't drive intoxicated. And I know this seems super obvious, but every summer we see it. And last summer, unfortunately, we knew a family who was impacted by, people driving impaired. And so, I really want to encourage you to, now that we're getting back, you shouldn't do period, but now that we're getting back and people are socializing more, there's a tendency to probably maybe take risks that you wouldn't have since you haven't been driving as much. Don't do it. Call an Uber. Even I know the Uber wait times or the Lyft wait times are way higher, but it's going to get better. Or plan ahead accordingly, right? Call a taxi if you have to. If you have to go old school and call a taxi, I just really want to encourage you not to do it, because even if you survive, and the statistics show that, the drunk drivers survive way more than the people that they're actually crashing into, the guilt that you would feel by hurting or killing somebody is just extreme. And again, there's too many. It's painful when you lose somebody. I lost my dad. He died back in December. And again, think about him daily, right? And you just don't get that time back. But to have somebody prematurely die because you're driving impaired is just not a good thing. And honestly, I want to challenge you as well. If you know somebody who consistently does it or is doing it, you need to challenge them. You're going to feel that guilt if you don't either. So I think we all need to do a better job of this. It's still happening. And again, I'm concerned that coming into the summer months, as again, this health crisis is kind of starting to get put behind us and we're getting back to normal a little bit here, that we're probably going to see a higher surge because of more socialization and more traveling taking place. So be careful when you're out there, period, but also definitely do not drive intoxicated. Strongly encourage you to get the help that you need. Maybe now is a good time to do that if you've been struggling. I know that also being in, locked up like we have been, there's been a lot of stories about people who have struggled with various substance abuses because of just the social isolation and the loneliness and just different, domestic things that are going on that have been, amplified as well. So again, get the help that you need. I want to encourage you. Now is a good time to do it before the summer gets going, and try not to do it. And again, take the appropriate steps not to, and get the help for people who are struggling with it as well. So that's going to do it for this one. Want to again encourage you to click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and click the alert button. And feel free to share this video and this playlist with other folks. And we will talk to you at the next video.